welcome back to my channel. And in case if you don't know me, my name is Shreya and I have a passion for drawing, painting, calligraphy, etc. You can check out my Instagram profile whose link will be given in the description down below, so do check it out. So this video is a haul on skincare products which I have recently purchased from Wow and MK Fine. Let's see what are they. I have received 3 packages. We're gonna unbox them one by one and see what is there in them together. So first is this package which I have received from Wow Skin Science. So let's see what is in there. So first thing which I could see is the Vitamin C Wow face wash, Vitamin C foaming face wash actually, and it's a very good face wash, and I have heard a lot about this face wash and the range of Vitamin C as well. So I wanted to try one of the Vitamin C products, so I ordered this from the buywow.com itself, and I ordered this along with its refill pack. But yeah, this is the refill pack. I will give link of all the products which I have purchased. So this is the Vitamin C face wash. It is along with the brush. So this has a cap. So this is how it looks. So written that they have added no parabens, sulfates, silicones or color in it, which is really good for your skin. So this face wash is for all skin types. So let me just unbox it. So this is the refill pack which I have ordered with it. Then the next thing which I have got is this Wow Blemish Care Serum. So it's a serum which will help you reduce your acne, spots and pimples. It will control all this. So it is a oil-free serum which has no parabens, mineral oil or colors in it, and it's really good. We also have acne problem and spot problem. You can just check this out. Now let's see what's more. Then I have got this 2 green tea moisturizers. So this I got as a freebie from their side. I have used one of these and I have been loving how smooth it is on my skin, and it is really not greasy or not oily. Try on Wow moisturizers. You can go with this. It's affordable as well as good. So this is the next packet which is also from Wow. So in this I have 3 products. So this one is the first. This one is the Vitamin C body lotion. So I have been over with my moisturizer very recently, and that's why I decided to take the moisturizer also from there only. So I got this Vitamin C moisturizer. It's a really good moisturizer because it has pure Vitamin C in it. It has energizing infusion of Vitamin C in it, which is really nice for your skin. Then it has Kadaku plum and beetroot extract, which again healthifies your skin and makes it look really good. So it's a really good body lotion. So yeah, you'll get to know all the reviews of these products in my upcoming videos. So do stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. And if you like the products of this video, also hit the like button. Okay, so now we have the other box. So when you visit Wow, you can't refuse yourself to not get the shampoo and conditioner of Wow. So I gone with this really nice shampoo and conditioner. So shampoo is of the apple cider. It's really good for the hair, and I have actually tried the shampoo and conditioner on my hair, and perfectly very good for the hair. So the thing but gone with the apple cider face shampoo only is because my hair were going frizzy. So I decided to go with this shampoo because this helps to restore the shine of your hair and also make them smooth and just reduces hair fall, which is really great of this shampoo. Again, it has no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, which is really nice. Then we have, along with it, I ordered in combo the conditioner. conditioner is not made up of the apple cider vinegar. It is made up of the organic virgin coconut oil, which is again a very good conditioning element for your hair, and avocado oil. They both make up a great deal together. So it is suitable for all hair types. So you can check out the QR code for that authenticity of the product. Otherwise also the product is really good and really nice, and it has improved my hair conditions. Go and check it out, this product. It's really great. The link will be down in the description below. So we are done with all the Wow products now. So I also got some products from MK Fine. So this is the package which I have received. So MK Fine is famous for their coffee products and coffee skincare. So I have ordered this coffee bath scrub from the MK Fine, and it's really great, and I have heard a lot about this product. So in this box I have got the product, and along with it they have also given a scoop so that you can scoop out the product and apply. So this is a body scrub. So it is a coffee scrub, and how to use it is you have to just wet your feet and just take a scoop of this with this scooper and just rub it throughout your leg, and you have to do it for I think 1-2 minutes. You can apply this anywhere on your body where you feel you want to apply it. So it's a really great product. I have ordered 2 quantities of this product, and along these I have also received a freebie from the side, and it's a very cute miniature kit of MK Fine. So this is a potly bag in which I have received 3 products. So one is this MK Fine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. Then we have MK Fine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash. Then we have MK Fine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. It's like very little. So I received these things like a freebie from MK Fine. So yeah, this was all of the products which I have shown you in this video, and I hope you liked all the products. And if you did, do hit the like button and share it with your friends also. And till then, I will take a leave from you guys. I'll meet you soon in my upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned on my channel and stay subscribed, and also press the bell icon so that if I upload any video, you can get a notification of it very soon. So thank you guys for watching this video.